What's going on, everybody? My name is Tim Morosky, the owner of Mavis Games and creator of a Krojyn kit weapon packs available for the Unreal Engine Marketplace. Today, we're going to demonstrate how to use our single blade battle axe kit. So what you're going to want to do is navigate over to the meshes folder, select any eye, any head, any pommel, and any shaft, and drag them into the scene. Now what we'll do is take this a step further, and we're going to create a single merged object. So we're going to select in order the eye, the head, the pommel, and the shaft. Go over to Tools, Merge Actors, and you'll see that in this list, it is placed in the same order as the way we selected it. Eye, head, pommel, shaft. Click on Merge Actors, navigate over to Sample Axes, but you can put this in whatever folder you'd like. We're going to name this one Demo Axe. You can call it whatever you'd like. Hit save. That's going to create our new demo axe. We're going to delete this one from the scene. We're going to drag that into here. Now, what we can do, if we open this back up, we can see that our material slot is still in alphabetical order because of the way that we selected it. The materials are in alphabetical order for whatever piece we happen to want. And this is separated into pommel, shaft, head, and eye in order. So what we'll do, let's say we want a black and blue eye. We select the first material set, place it here. Say we want a green and black head, place that one there. Maybe a red and black pommel, place that one there. Let's say a silver and black shaft, pop that over here, and we can see that these are still able to be changed as we want them. And that just about wraps it up. See the effect of changes here inside the editor. There we go. Alright, if you want to follow me over on Twitch where I do most of my live stuff, the link will be in the description below. And you can follow me just about any other social media out there. Thanks for taking a look, and we'll talk to you later.